one a story, each one a song, as the world hums along. Clouds are crying, but I don't mind. The tears wash away what's left behind. In the silence I hear the sound of a peace that's found when rain comes down. Let the rain fall, wash away the pain. Let the rhythm pull me in again. In every drop I find my way. The world feels lighter with the rain today. The skies are gleaming, soft and bright, reflecting the colors of the night. Like with my eyes, feel the cool embrace. As the world leaves its sacred trace. Clouds are crying, but I don't mind. The tears wash away what's left behind. In the silence I hear the sound of peace that's found when rain comes down. Let the rain fall, wash away the pain. Let the rhythm pull me in again. In every drop I find my way. The world feels lighter with the rain today. Let the rain fall, wash away the pain. Let the rhythm pull me in again. In every drop I find my way. The world feels lighter with the rain today. The world feels lighter with the rain today. Let the rain fall, wash away the pain. Let the rhythm pull me in again. In every drop I find my way. The world feels lighter with the rain today. Let the rain fall, wash away the pain. Let the rhythm pull me in again. In every drop I find my way. The world feels lighter with the rain today. And when the storm is over, I'll see the dawn. A brighter day is born from what's been washed away. The rain may fade, but the peace remains. A symphony that echoes